this might genuinely be the most controversial AI gadgets I've ever tested because this tiny thing records your life throughout the day. But after using it for multiple days, I realized that Looki L1 is not really trying to be a spy gadget or an action camera. Instead, it's more like a wearable AI companion or even a second brain that quietly documents your life, helps you revisit moments you would normally forget, and then turns them into AI-generated comics, stories, and auto vlogs. And honestly, some of the results were actually kind of fascinating. So this is the Looki L1, and after wearing it for several days during my normal routine, working on my YouTube content, working on creating this actual video, riding an electric motorcycle, and throughout the everyday life, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, what makes it unique, and why I think this could become a completely new category of AI wearable gadgets. The Looki L1 comes in a very clean package. Inside the box, you get the device itself, charging accessories, documentation, and everything needed to get started. The device itself is surprisingly compact and lightweight, and the design instantly stands out because it looks very different from typical wearable cameras. It almost looks like a futuristic AI companion that you wear on your chest. I also got this protective carrying case, which helps keep the device safe. One thing that is important to understand before buying this device is that Looki L1 is not designed to replace your smartphone camera, GoPro, or DJI action camera. This is not about cinematic footage or ultra high-resolution video quality. Instead, the whole idea behind Looki is passive AI-powered live documentation. Now let's talk about the actual concept behind Looki L1 because this is where things get really interesting. The idea is very simple. You wear Looki throughout your day, turn on AI mode, and then mostly forget about it. The device quietly captures moments throughout the day at intervals where AI analyzes your routines, activities, social moments, travel, meals, work sessions, and other parts of your daily life. Then later, when you open the app, Looki transforms all of that information into stories, comics, insights, reminders, and AI-generated summaries of your day. And honestly, that's what makes this product feel completely different from anything else I've tested before. It almost feels like having an AI observer following your day and then creating a scrapbook or memory archive automatically for you. One of the core features of the Looki L1 is AI mode. To activate it, you simply wear the device, turn on AI mode by pressing and holding the button, and then go about your day normally. And honestly, this is the intended way to use Looki. You're not supposed to constantly interact with it or manually record clips like you would with a traditional camera. Instead, Looki quietly captures moments throughout your day while you focus on living in the moment. For example, I wore it while filming videos, driving, walking around the city and deep in the nature, riding an electric motorcycle, grabbing food, and doing various everyday activities. The interesting part happens later. Throughout the day, Looki documents moments in the background, and when you open the app, the AI transforms those moments into creative summaries of your experiences. One of the highlights is the comics feature, which is honestly one of the most unique features of the entire product. The AI takes moments from your day and turns them into comic-style visual stories that summarize activities, social moments, travel experiences, routines, or even longer periods of time. And what's impressive is how detailed those comics can be. When you zoom in, you can often spot small details from your day recreated by the AI, making the experience surprisingly fun to revisit. The AI mode also automatically generates auto vlogs. Instead of manually sorting through photos or editing videos yourself, the AI automatically selects moments from your day and creates vlog-style recaps that help you relive your experiences. So rather than spending time organizing memories, Looki does much of that work for you automatically. And honestly, that's where Looki starts feeling less like a gadget and more like an AI-powered memory companion. PI stands for Proactive Intelligence Engine, and this is basically the AI personality behind Looki. The idea is that the AI doesn't just passively record your life, but also interacts with you throughout the day. For example, it reminded me that culture night was about to start in my location, which was actually useful because I had completely forgotten about the event. When I stopped for lunch at a Chinese restaurant, it recognized the environment and later suggested taking a quick stretch after noticing I had been focused or on the move for several hours. It also gave weather-based suggestions for the event, commented on me assembling an electric motorcycle, recognized that I was driving a Toyota hybrid, and even suggested that my drone footage of the forest trails would probably look incredible when I was filming this video and wearing the device. Honestly, many of those observations were things I hadn't really thought about myself. So some were useful, some informative, and some simply fun, but they often felt surprisingly relevant to what I was actually doing. And that's really what Pi feels like. It's almost like having a small AI companion alongside you throughout the day, occasionally offering observations, reminders, interesting facts, or simply pointing out little details that you might otherwise overlook. It creates this feeling that the device is gradually learning your lifestyle and becoming part of your daily routine. After wearing Looki L1 for multiple days, the biggest takeaway for me was just how different it feels compared to any other gadget I've tested before. Some people will probably find the concept a little bit unusual, while others may genuinely enjoy having an AI companion that helps document and revisit everyday moments. But I do think this might actually represent a glimpse into the future of AI wearables. Instead of constantly pulling out your phone to document your life manually, the device quietly captures little moments automatically while you stay present in the moment. And honestly, there is something surprisingly interesting about revisiting your day later and seeing moments you completely forgot happened. Sometimes the smallest random moments actually become the most memorable ones. I also think this device makes the most sense for people who enjoy documenting life, travel, routines, family moments, pets, work life, or social activities, especially if you enjoy the idea of AI helping organize and reflect on your experiences automatically. Overall, Looki L1 is definitely one of the most unique AI gadgets I've tested in a long time. And honestly, I don't even think it fits neatly into existing product categories. It's not really an action camera, it's not really a smartphone accessory, and it's definitely not a traditional wearable. Instead, it feels more like an AI-powered life companion designed to help document your life in a completely passive way. The comics feature is genuinely impressive, the AI-generated summaries and auto vlogs are fun to revisit, and Pi's system makes the whole experience feel surprisingly personal over time. Now obviously, this type of product won't be for everybody, but I do think AI wearables like this are going to become much more common in the future. And Looki L1 feels like one of the first devices trying to explore what that future might actually look like. If you want to check it out for yourself, I will leave links in show notes and more information in the video description down below. What do you think about Looki L1? Would you buy this device or would you choose something else? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.